Hi everyone, welcome back once again. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much to each and everyone for your love and support for my previous video on the cabinet build from the court. I couldn't reply to everyone, but I guess I have given a heart to almost everyone's comment. It's just due to time constraints that I couldn't type to each one of you. Many had given me suggestions on the cabinet for extra support. I'm definitely working on that. I was in fact in a hurry to show you all the transformation. It still needs some finishing. Thank you once again. Now today's video was taken before I finished the cabinet, hence you won't be seeing the changes made in this video. This was taken last weekend. So a dinner recipe and tips to make Kerala Puttu flour. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. It was Thursday that I started taking the video. I prepared rice porridge for lunch and later for dinner a simple yet very tasty creamy chicken with a veg rice. So as usual, kids had their online classes and I went over to the kitchen for dinner preparation. I took 2 cups and a little more of basmati rice, wash and drain. I used the vegetables that I had with me. Arman's classes gets over half an hour before Rihan's. I'm preparing the rice in a pressure cooker. Heat some oil or ghee. Saute crushed ginger garlic paste till the raw smell goes. Then goes 2 small onions that's chopped. Don't forget to give a mix in between. Let the onion fry a bit. Then goes 1 or 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, around half tablespoon coriander powder and mix well. Make sure the flame is low that the spices don't burn. Now time to add 2 large tomatoes that's chopped. Mix well. Keep on low flame and just cover it so that the tomatoes are soft. You may use green peas, beans, carrots. Here I had used 1 large potato and 1 large capsicum. Chop into small size. The tomato is soft now. Then goes the vegetables. Along with that, add the rice. Give a mix. Then add hot water. So for around 2 cups of rice, I use 3 cups hot water. Add salt as per needed. Cover and lock the pressure. Keep on medium-high flame. When the steam comes or when the first whistle comes, reduce the flame to very low and cook for 5 minutes. The whistle may or may not come later, but keep it for 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. Now for the simple creamy chicken, add 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl, salt, black pepper powder, a pinch of oregano, half teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Mix. Now if you don't get the oregano, paprika and red chili flakes, it's totally fine. You can skip those. Those are just for flavoring. Now add 1 kilo chicken that's cut into small to medium size. Coat the chicken well and keep aside. Meantime, the rice has released all the pressure. Keep the lid open and leave it as such without mixing. Now you may shallow fry the chicken pieces or use an air fryer, but I prefer shallow frying to use the oil later. Chop 1 small onion and some ginger and garlic. Into a small bowl, add 1 1/4 cup milk, squeeze half a lemon or 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix and keep aside. You'll get buttermilk from this that's needed for the gravy. Take out the chicken pieces. To save time, I had air fried the rest of the chicken in air fryer. So when these chicken pieces were shallow frying, I had kept the other ones in the air fryer. To the same oil, saute onion, ginger and garlic all together till light brown. Then add the fried chicken pieces and mix for 2 minutes. Then goes in the buttermilk. Now you'll need one more mixture. Into a bowl, add 1 chicken cube or 1 cup chicken stock. This is optional. You may use just 1 cup hot water instead. In that goes 1 tablespoon thick soy sauce and 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Mix and add to the chicken. Give a mix, keep on low-medium flame and cover it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, give a mix to the rice. Make sure for mixing you always use a fork. And that's done. Mix 1 tablespoon corn flour in little water. Add to the chicken. It becomes thick and creamy, and that's done. I finished off all the cleaning before dinner. As a garnish, I sprinkle some dried mint leaves and dried red chili flakes. You may use coriander leaves instead. And that was our simple dinner. For next day breakfast, I had Kerala Puttu and black chana curry. So for that, soak 1 cup chana, and instead of ready-made puttu flour, I soak 2 cups matta rice. You may even use kuruva rice, but I don't guess basmati rice would work well for this. Wash the soaked chana in a pressure cooker. To that, slice in 1 medium-sized onion and 1 large tomato. Add some salt and around 2 cups warm water. Keep on medium flame and cook for 10 to 15 minutes or for 5 whistles. Now grind the soaked rice. Now this method was suggested by my aunt who stays in Dubai. You get really soft puttu using this method. Grind to a very fine powder. Now you will still have the grains in it. Let that remain. It won't be as fine as you get from the mill, and for puttu flour, there should be some grains. Add that to a mixing bowl. Grind everything the same way. Make sure you grind little at a time and not all together. Add some salt and mix. So that's your puttu flour. Now if you want to store the flour, you may roast it. Now for the curry, you need to roast freshly grated coconut along with some dried red chilies, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Then you need 2 shallots, 1 garlic clove and a small piece of ginger. Slice and add. Few black peppercorns. Roast on low flame till coconut becomes light brown. Now if you had watched my Ramadan vlog one this year that I had posted, you might have seen this. This is the same coconut spice mixture. I had kept it outside and not in the fridge. This was stored in an airtight glass jar and it still remains the same. It has the same flavor when added to any dish. You can use this for any non-veg curries. I even add to breakfast curries. So do watch my Ramadan vlog 1 for the recipe. I shall link the video in the description box. Preparation for puttu. This is the puttu maker. The steam comes through the bottom when placed on the boiling water. Make sure the first thing you add is 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, or else the steam may not come. The ratio I take is 2 tablespoons coconut to 3 tablespoons of flour. And on top being the coconut. Place this on the pot of hot boiling water. Keep on medium flame till the steam comes on top. The chana is cooked well. When the steam starts coming, keep as such for another 2 minutes and then take. Push with a wooden spatula from behind. There you get the soft and steamy puttu. The coconut has roasted till light brown. Adding 2 tablespoons of the coconut spice mixture. Now this is optional, but adding this gives the curry an extra flavor and taste. Then goes some of the cooked chana. You need to grind this to a smooth paste, adding little water. Add the ground paste to the curry along with some hot water. Boil it for a minute. Temper the curry with fried shallots, curry leaves and dried red chilies in coconut oil. Close the lid to lock the flavor. Papad takes the meal to the next level. Be it any curry, my favorite is always puttu and banana. And that ends today's video. Hope you liked it. If so, do give a thumbs up and do share among your friends and family. Share your feedback after trying the recipes. I would love to hear from you all. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.